माझ महला तीजा हर आपे मिले सेव कराए गुर के शब्द पाओ दूजा जाए हर निर्मल सदा गुणदाता हर गुण मह आप समावणिया. Vaheguru himself enables us to merge with him and be in his service. Through the word of Guru Shabad, the love of duality is eradicated. The immaculate and pure Vaheguru is the bestower of eternal virtue. Vaheguru himself leads us to merge in his virtuous goodness. Hou wari jiyo wari sach sacha hirday vasavaniya सच्चा नाम सदा है निर्मल गुर शब्दी मन वसावणिया रहा. I offer myself as a sacrifice, my soul as a sacrifice to those Guru-minded people who serve the true Master at heart with devotion. The true name is always pure and they inculcate this name in their hearts with the Guru's guidance. Pause. आपे गुरदाता कर्म विधाता सेवक सेवहे गुरुमुख हर जाता अमृत नाम सदा जन सोहे गुरमत हर रस पावणिया. The Guru himself is the bestower of all the gifts and he is the architect of destiny of everyone. The Gurmukh, the humble servant who serves the God, they come to know of him. Those humble beings look beautiful forever in the ambrosial Naam. Through the Guru's teachings they receive the sublime essence of God. इस गुफा में ही एक थान सुहाया पूरे गुरु हूँ मैं परम चुकाया अन दिन नाम सलाहन रंग राते गुर कृपा ते पावणिया. Within the cave of this human body, there is one beautiful place where the soul resides and shines forth with radiation of truth. Guru-minded people dispel their ego and doubt through the perfect Guru. Night and day, praise the name of Vaheguru. Imbued with the Vaheguru's love, by Guru's grace you shall find him. Gur ke shabad eh gufa vichare नाम निरंजन अंतर वसै मुरारे हर गुण गावै शब्द सुहाए मिल प्रीतम सुख पावणिया. Through the word of Guru Shabad, search through this cave. The immaculate pure name of Vaheguru resides deep within the inner self. Sing the glorious praises of God and decorate yourself with the Shabad. Meeting with your beloved Vaheguru, you shall find peace. जम जागाती दूजय पाए कर लाए नाम हो पूले दे सजाए कड़ी मुहत का लेखा लेवै रतियहु मासा तोल कढ़ावणिया. The messenger of death punishes the faithless people possessing dual-mindedness by imposing the tax of punishment on those who have forgotten the name. They are called to account for each instant and each moment. Every grain, every particle is weighed and counted. पेड़ै पिर चेते नाही, दूजै मुट्ठी रोवै ताही। खरी कुआलियो कुरूप खुलखणी, सुपड़े पिर नहीं पावणिया। Those dual-minded people who do not remember Vaheguru are like that soul bride who does not remember her husband God in this world and is being cheated by duality. She weeps bitterly in the end. She is from evil background, ugly in her form. Even in her dreams she does not meet the husband God, never attaining his company. पेड़ै पिर मन वसाया, पूरै गुर हदूर दिखाया। कामण पिर राखया कंठ लाए, शब्दे पिर रावै सेज सुहावणिया। The Guru-minded people, by inculcating Vaheguru in their heart, they are enabled by perfect Guru to attain perfect vision of Vaheguru in his very presence. Then the Guru-minded people remain in the embrace of Vaheguru through Guru's guidance, enjoying the bliss of his company. Like a soul bride who enjoys the embrace of the husband's spouse by remembering him all the time and then remaining in his presence, enjoy the bliss of life. आपे देवै साध बुलाए, अपना नाम मन वसाए। नानक नाम मिलै वड्याई, अन दिन सदा गुण गावणिया। Vaheguru himself bestows all virtues on Guru-minded people by enabling them to come in contact with the Guru through the holy saints, thus attaining the true name. He enshrines his name within their minds. O Nanak, those who receive the greatness of Nam night and day, they constantly sing his glorious praises.